Before we begin this course, it's important to know the user interface of the app and its fundamentals. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. So in this episode, you'll learn about simulation, app user interface, and some bonus apps for hobbyists and students. What is a simulator? A simulator is a device or a software that is capable of mimicking the real-world events in different scenarios. At first, when you launch the Every Circuit app, you'll be in the example section. Here you have several examples explaining the fundamentals and other cool concepts. So the next you have the workspace, community, bookmark and trash. This is where your deleted circuit goes. In the workspace, you can create new circuits and this is where you will be spending most of the time. In the empty circuit, you will be seeing a ground symbol and that's the default and essential. You can touch and drag around the component in the meshwork or the plane. At the top, you have a toolbar where most of the components are held, ranging from resistors to 555 ICs and much more. You can also wishlist a component. So now let's rig up our circuit quickly. In the function bar, tap on the eye icon to view the part of the circuit and hit the play button. So this will plot a cool graph on your screen. In this graph, there are some parameters. They are like the time duration, which you can adjust from milliseconds to microseconds. They basically set the time at which your circuit is running. And the second thing is the maximum and the minimum range of the voltage or the current according to your circuit. Here you can choose to simulate, save the circuit or take a screenshot. To save the circuit, just tap on the folder icon and give it a name and a description and there you go, you have saved your first circuit. And the next thing is the screenshot. To take a screenshot, tap on the camera icon and choose the dark or the white mode. And you have a lot of more functions to be covered, which we'll be doing in the next episode. And there you go, fundamentals of Every Circuit app in less than 5 minutes. So don't forget to hit that like button, share and please do subscribe.